Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take our cloud code to the next level. Today's tip is avoid creating irrelevant classes. So a very common case that I see is where people create classes that only contains data but no operations, or other times only contains operations but no data. This really shouldn't be a class. This could only be methods in case of operations or any kind of object to handle this data, but not a full class. This will make your code more readable and easier to maintain over time. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you are subscribed, thank you for that, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful for you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.